Good morning, students. Today we will know about some properties of triangle and what is triangle. Okay. So first of all, we discuss about triangle. What is triangle? So we have to know about triangles and its properties. So first of all, what is the definition of triangle? What is triangle? We have to know this. So here in this chapter number 11, triangle and its properties. First of all, we have to define triangle. What is triangle? Triangle, a closed figure made up of three line segments. Okay, that is called triangle. As you can see here on the board, that AB, BC, and CA are all three segments. And by these segments, this triangle is made up of. Okay. Again, we have to know triangle and its basic properties. So, classification of triangles. Triangle can be classified on the basis of sides and angles. Okay. So, first of all, we will classify triangle on the basis of sides. So on the basis of sides, triangles are of three types. In first, scalene triangle. What is scalene triangle? A triangle having three sides of different lengths. A triangle in which all the three sides of the triangle in different lengths. That is called scalene triangle. Okay. And again, isosceles triangle. What is isosceles triangle? A triangle having two sides of equal length is called isosceles triangle. Okay. Now the third types of on the basis of the sides triangle is equilateral triangle. What is triangle? Equilateral triangle. So what is equilateral triangle? Triangle having three sides of equal length. Three sides of equal length. As this, okay, in which three sides of equal length. If this side is equal to 3 centimeter, then also the both sides is equal to 3 centimeter. Okay, that type of triangle is called equilateral triangle. Okay, again, on the basis of angles, triangle are of three types. First, obtuse angle triangle. What is obtuse angle triangle? A triangle having one angle greater than 90 degree. That is called obtuse angle triangle. And because we know that the sum of all the interior angles of the triangle is 180 degree. So in which one angle is more than 90 degree, that is called obtuse angle triangle. Again, second right angle triangle. What is right angle triangle? A triangle in which one of its angle is 90 degree. Or you can say such a triangle in which one of the triangle is 90 degree, that is called right angle triangle. Okay. Again, acute angle triangle. What is acute angle triangle? A triangle in which all the angles is less than 90 degree, that is called acute angle triangle. Okay. Now again, we have to discuss about median of a triangle. What is median of a triangle? The line segment that joins the vertex of the triangle to the midpoint of its one of the opposite sides is called median of the triangle. Okay. Again, you have to solve exercise 11.1. Classify the given triangles on the basis of both sides and angles. So first of all, in figure A, you have given that here all the three sides of the triangle is 5 centimeter. So this type of triangle is called equilateral triangle. Okay. By definition, in equilateral triangle having three sides of equal length. So in this figure, triangle having three sides of equal length. And again, in B, this is first B. The B part of this figure in which we draw figure, that is isosceles triangle, because in isosceles triangle two sides of the triangle is same. Okay, and in part C this is Scalene triangles, because no sides of the triangle is same. Okay, because having all the different sides in triangle, that is called Scalene triangle. In D, figure number D, you have given that here 8 6 8, this is also Scalene triangle, and again E. So you have to solve this. Okay, now question number 2, name the types of the following triangles. You have to draw it, and now time is over. BC again. Thank you.